Name one thing many people don't know about you. Just one thing.
Everything is known about me.
Oh. Describe your presidency in 3 words.
Opportunity to serve.
Wow, brilliant. Finish this sentence, again in less than 7 words. Rwanda is.
Your home.
Your home. All right, thank you. What is one thing you have learned from being a grandfather?
Age.
Age. Okay. Name one item you could never live without.
Information.
Information. Wow. What did you want to be when you were a little boy?
A pilot. I want to fly planes.
A pilot. Okay. Where do you go to think?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Always thinking. Arsenal or Paris Saint-Germain?
Both.
Education or leadership?
2 sides of the same coin.
Ah, okay. What makes you smile?
Family.
Family. Beautiful. Best basketball player of all time?
Steph Curry.
Stephen Curry. All right. What are your parting words to our audience, to everyone who's in the room, to the young people in the room, to the room members listening online and Zoom, and to everyone watching on YouTube? What are your final parting words for everyone that has joined us today?
Young people, you have opportunity. Just take it and run with it.
Great.